guys and gals, check out this air compressor I got about a week ago. I just got her in its location here. I gotta wire it up 220 right by the box. Check that out, what my girlfriend got me. Thing's badass. But here it is, it's a Curtis 2-stage. Originally it had a 3-phase motor on it. It was at a county shop or a garage. And it got sold to a private party, then he sold to me. It's got a 3-horse Dayton. That thing's pretty darn big. I mean, compared to my hand, you know, it's pretty good size. I'm gonna have to update this guy. Probably original gauge on there. I'll check this out. 60-gallon tank. I don't know if the year is going to show up or what. But according to this, it's 1948. That's pretty darn old. So I heard it run and stuff. It runs really good, nice and quiet. It shuts off at 185 pounds. But I'm gonna take a peek in the camera. Take a peek inside the tank with my camera. I'm gonna take off one of these guys. Hopefully, we'll take a look. All right, here's the setup. Camera with a little probe on it. This guy in there. I know there's going to be some icky stuff in there. Alright. That's the bottom. Top of the tank looks really good. I'm really surprised. I thought it would be even more rusty. It's all oily and nasty. We'll pull it out and see what we got. Try to get it out straight without dropping whatever it has on there. Alright. There's probably a couple inches of this goopy crap in there. Smells oily. So probably more than one pumps have crapped the bed. That's alright. You know, I could have bought a nice new shiny upright, but you know what? This antique stuff is killer. And it's way funner fixing something up like this. And you can't find anything like this anymore. It's almost 70 years old. Alright, later. That's what came out of it. Gobs. can't get these guys loose. They're 1 5/16. I need an 8-sided socket, square. Break those bad boys loose. I tried to heat them up, but I couldn't get them to budge. Trying to get all the remnants out of here, then it's going to go to the hydro test. I'll bring it with. Well, this tank here is NFG. When I was cleaning it out some more, and I had to hang it up outside there, and I was pumping water in here, I'd put my finger up there and pull out some chunks and stuff, and it was all globs of oil. And I got a couple chunks of steel, rusted steel pieces, several of them. So I thought, well, screw that. It's going to be a barbecue now or something, smoker. So then I picked this up a couple days ago, 80 gallon. This tank is clean. I checked. I got the motor that was off the other tank on here just for mock-up, just to see how it looks. It's a little close, so I'll have to get different belts. And this pump here, I really wasn't concerned about this, because I had plans on using this guy originally for it. I heard this one run, and this one runs really good. This pumps up 180 pounds. I can't remember how many minutes. It wasn't too long. This one here runs really good, but it only goes up to 125. So that's what the switch is set at. But anyways, I don't know what the heck it is. I'm thinking it's a single stage, because both of these cylinders are exactly the same size. Now, for a 2-stage, air inlet compressed in the bigger cylinder, goes through your line, comes back, goes in the other cylinder, which is smaller, and it comes out. Well, these two are the same. And I'm not sure what the heck I got here. I'm pretty sure it's a single stage, but I think I'm going to put the old Curtis motor on there. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think about this. Now, this is a 3-horse Dayton, a real 3-horse. That thing weighs about 80 pounds. Yeah, so when I picked it up, my main concern was the tank, because I needed a tank, because that one was crapola. Nameplate is off, or the name tag is off. But down here it says 1988 model, working pressure, 200 pounds. So let me know guys if I'm going to make a mistake by not using this one and using that one. I know I can get more volume out this one. I mean, look at the line difference here. This is a steel dealie with the fins. And it's only about this big, almost my finger. And this guy here is pretty darn big. More volume. So, alright, later.